Facebook keeps stopping on your Facebook account. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So first you will just open settings of your phone, and then you will open apps, and on apps you will now search for Facebook application. When you found it, just open it like this, and then you have to scroll down. You will find storage, click, and then go to clear data like this, and then click OK, and now your problem will fixed. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and also if you have any question you can write it down in comment, and see you in another videos.